the same old ground? What have we found? The same old fears. Wish you